Senior English second paper. First condensation, then elaboration. Yes, get ready. Begin. Speaking in the Legislative Assembly on the Governor's address, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have had a useful debate for the last 4 days. It will come to an end with the reply by the Leader of the House. I want to speak about 4 points, namely government loan, education, transport, and planning. At the outset, so far as the government loan is concerned, I would like to say that it is a very pleasant thing for us to note that while the other bigger states have raised 3 crores of rupees or so by way of loans, our finance minister has thought that he should have a loan of rupees 7 crores. I congratulate him on this because it shows that the people of the state have confidence in him. In this connection, I would like to point out that it has been the pride of this state to have its finances in a sound position. In the last 4 years, the banking and financial sectors have gained faith and confidence. They hope that the money raised will be spent in useful ways. So, I am sure that the loan will be oversubscribed on the very day it opens. Secondly, with regard to education, I have seen a report in the press that the government proposed to start a scheme of free education for poor boys. If the report is correct, it is a welcome measure. At the same time, I want to say another thing. While the government are prepared to do so much, the attitude of the Minister for Education towards the private colleges which have come up during the last few years has not changed in the matter of grants. I repeat this so that the ministers may feel that because it is expressed so many times, they must pay attention to it. I would like to point out that it is really difficult to start a college. It costs very much to construct a building for a college as the cost of building materials has gone up. In view of this, I hope that the Minister for Education will increase the grant. Thirdly, I come to transport. I am one of those who make complaints about transport from time to time. Whatever is said with the best of intentions. When transport is taken over by the government, they should have the satisfaction that they have the best transport. Much can be said in favor of transport with reference to the number of buses on the roads and the number of routes opened. I may pay my tributes to the Minister for Transport for the interest that he is taking in transport. On some occasions, our ministers should go out and have first-hand knowledge of our transport conditions. I saw a report in the press about the minister going out to see the crowds at bus stands and satisfying himself about the adequacy of buses. I am sure that with the amount of interest that the transport minister is taking, there will be improvement in transport. Fourthly, we are going to start the 5-year plan. As far as our irrigation schemes are concerned, we have come to an end. So the only hope for our survival is industries. I am sure that when the finance minister goes to Delhi, he will see to it that our state gets its share and is placed on a strong footing. Our government should do their best to show that what they now seek to do is for the benefit of posterity. Next, elaboration, 4 minutes. August 2017. Yes, begin. 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Controller of Stores, Southern Railway, Ayyanavaram, Chennai, for the purchase and removal of condemned press paper cuttings from the railway press stores at Rayapuram. Tender forms can be obtained on payment of ₹10 in cash or by money order during working hours up to 2 p.m. on 9th January 2015. Completed tenders should reach Controller of Stores on or before 2 p.m. on 10th January, and they will be opened at 3 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives. The Controller of Stores reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason. Draft tender notice. 2. A leading Chennai-based seafood exporting company requires a senior accounts executive to look after their branch operations at Bhimavaram in Andhra Pradesh. The candidate should be around 40 years of age. He should possess BCom or MCom degree. He should have practical experience of 10 years in managing accounts and office administration. Must know Tamil. Knowledge of Telugu will be an added advantage. Salary will be commensurate with the candidate's equipment. House rent allowance, other perquisites and car will be provided. Application should be sent to box number 57, care of the Hindu, Chennai, within a fortnight of advertisement. Draft advertisement. 3. Draft a letter to the editor of the Hindu, Chennai, on the following lines. It is common to see people using cell phones while walking along roads. It is necessary to point out that this practice is as dangerous as using cell phones while driving or drunken driving. We can see news items on a regular basis about accidents that occur due to such negligence. It is necessary for the police department and voluntary organization to urge cell phone users to follow safety rules strictly. At the same time, it is equally important for educational institutions, offices, and factories to advise their staff not to use cell phones while walking or driving. It will, to a large extent, help reduce accidents. 4. A police constable was on duty at Kasi Theatre Junction in Chennai when a Metropolitan Transport Corporation bus from Tambaram knocked him down. The victim suffered head injury and was admitted to the Rajiv Gandhi Government General Hospital, Chennai. A large number of people gathered around the victim, who was bleeding profusely. A deputy superintendent of police who was returning home from work saw the victim and shifted him to a nearby hospital. Later, he was moved to the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital, where his condition was said to be stable. The Traffic Investigation Police have registered a case and are investigating the matter. This is not the first time that police personnel are victims of road accidents. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.